Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a collection for games in Steam. Now let us simply look at how to create a collection. At the top left, right next to store, you will see a button like this called as library. Simply hover over it, and I do quote, just hover over it, do not click on it. And once you do, as you can see, you will be provided these three options like home, collection and downloads. Right now, all you need to do is click on collections. And guys, this is it. From here, you can simply create a new collection by clicking on this plus button right here. Click on it and just enter a name for your collection. As you can see, I have entered it. Do note that you can create a new collection or create a dynamic collection. It's up to you. But for now, this create collection is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna click on it. That is it guys. As you can see, a collection has been created. Now all you need to do is add these games to collections. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.